Alright, so you see it fucking about to rain. Was raining. I hate when that shit happen. Fucking car was clean, but once this shit dries, it's gonna be all little dirt spots on here. I need to buy some type of wax spray to keep on my car. I don't know. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead to the shop. Same place I got my mid muffler delete. About to go get the resonators taken off. Pull it up real quick. So yeah, if you've seen it before, this video right here, Scatpack mid muffler delete. This place I'm going to, downtown Mufflers. So I'm about to go there and get the resonators took off. You know, I got the mid mufflers cut off right now, so I'm gonna crank it up so you can hear the difference. Also, in that same video, you can hear what it sounds like stock before and after, and I got a cold start as well as a cold start with the mid muffler delete and some flybys with the mid muffler delete. So about to go ahead, head there now. Go ahead and crank the car up so you can hear what it sounded like before. Probably rev it a couple times too. Low-key probably hate me around this motherfucker because my shit already loud. It's about to get even louder, so like I said, I'm about to head there now.
Shit gets stressful, right? Shit taxing, the same thing that got Wesley Snipes. And you know how I'm rockin' Elvis Presley white. You know how life reelin', all highlights like with Sigurdo. All the work is analog, all the payment digital. When tempers tend to flare up, I'm the one to be cool since preschool. With me, dog, since the prequel. Just be cool, I know your favorite one, dog. I'm about to drop the sequel. Nigga, this is the preview, done.
Alright, so I'm here, you see, at downtown Mufflers. I put all the information down at the bottom. About to go ahead and get the resonators off. I already got the mid mufflers off. Same place I came to get it done last time. Downtown Mufflers. Phone number right there. Like I said, all the information be down below. Vegas is the only place that you have no fucking sun and it's still hot. Low-key sweating out here. Got the water on me for sure. Make sure you fire my car club. You see it right there. Oh, Victory. About to go ahead and put these off. Right now, the mid mufflers off already. Yep, and these what I got taken off last time. And I'm about to get these motherfuckers off. Go ahead and see out of the car. You ain't never seen this shit. Scatty boy. Yeah, so I already put it how it sounded before. Once you get it done, put the after. Probably put some flybys in the same video. Stay tuned.
Hey.
I had to step out real quick. He got the music playing. I'm not trying to get hit with the copyright. But anyway, make sure you watch this whole video. I'm about to drop a code word in this video. Giveaway video will be posted right after that. Make sure you follow my car club Instagram, because that's basically the essential way to enter giveaway. If you don't got Instagram, make one if you're trying to get in the giveaway. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned for that. It's coming up next. Nah, I already had the mids. I just came back from the resonators.
Oh, okay.
It's alright till you gotta be at the gas station all the time. Oh my key. I think the key's in the car. Just hold the camera right. Yeah.
It's recording already? Alright.
Yep. Thanks.
Was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice, I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Look, reached every goal I actually set, I had to sit back down and rearrange that list, nigga. Look, and now I'm out here getting